Hey YouTube, it's your girl Kim back with another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys can tell by the title, I am going to be unboxing a wig that I received from True Indian Hair. But before we get into the video, you guys know what I ask. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning supporter, thank you for coming back. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, help me grow. I appreciate all the support. I am so excited to be unboxing a wig for this company. Now, this wig did not cost me anything, so let's just put it out there. I'm not being sponsored for this video. All my thoughts, comments are going to be mine. If you guys have been on my channel, you know that to be true. But I'm sure if you guys have been watching any of my videos, from time to time, you guys would hear me mention that, you know, there's this hair company that hair lasted me 10 years. Now, I'm not guaranteeing that hair is going to last you 10 years, but I've had hair from this company that lasted me over 10 years. So I'm so excited that they wanted to work with me. But yeah, let's just get right into the video. The wig that I got, so excited. I'm so excited. Oh yeah. Whew. Yeah. I'm so excited. So it comes with, ooh, I got an edge brush. I just started using these. I really like when companies give you like little gifts, and you guys always hear me mention on my channel, I always love when a company, I'm going to try to hold it up, hopefully my camera focuses, gives you hair, ooh, my hands are ashy, gives you hair care instructions. So I definitely love this. There is a thank you note, which is new because I haven't purchased hair from them in quite some time. So there is a thank you note in there and also hair care instructions. So I really love that. If I'm not mistaken, this is their new ready to wear like wig collection. It is a 22-inch Indian curly with a closure. Now, if you guys have been all over YouTube, then you would know that closure wigs are making a comeback. And I was like, you know what? I do prefer a frontal because a frontal is more versatile, but some of the ways that I've been seeing that people have been making these closure wigs just like look so flawless, I'm like, I'm excited about having a closure wig again. And my goal for this wig is to make it an everyday wig. If you guys have been watching my channel, you know I've been in search of an everyday wig. The last everyday wig that I had was actually from this hair company. Not really, I made it using hair from this hair company with the exception of the closure. I got that from someone else. But I am excited about this wig. Okay, so it looks like the closure is a 4x4. Now, one thing when I usually make wigs, you know, I don't want to say I'm new to the wig making game, but when I make wigs, sometimes it's not easy for it to blend at the sides. So like when the wind blows, depending on how it blows, sometimes you might be able to see. So I like this construction. Now, the lace on this wig has already been cut, and it looks like, I guess it looks like it's a 4x4 closure. If I measure it and it measures differently, then I will put that information up on the screen for you guys. But I like how it looks here at the side, which gives me a little bit, hopefully you guys can see. Let's let this focus. But it gives me a little bit of confidence that when the wind blows, you won't be able to tell that I don't have on a frontal. And it's also going to make it a lot easier to wear. If you guys, again, have been on my channel, then you would know that I'm not about gluing a wig down every single time I wear it. So if I can have a glueless option, it definitely works for me. Not a bad thing, but I'm like, you know, it's 130% density. Not really the density for me. Now, typically when I'm dealing with 130% density, you guys have known that I have dealt with 130% density, not from the best of hair companies. So it doesn't really look full, but I don't know if you guys can see this. This is not giving me 130% density. Like the wig that I have on my head is 180% density. And I'll be honest with you guys, it definitely feels closer to that density than to 130. So I'm not mad at it. Now, the wig sells for $800, which I'm sure you guys are like, sounds like a lot. But if you've been here on my channel, I'm a firm believer in you get what you pay for. And considering the fact that I have had hair from this company that lasted over 10 years, I think it's worth the price. But I love, 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 love the curl pattern. I was a little bit scared because you guys know I don't like, curls are not like necessarily like the pattern that I would go with, but in my mind, what I envisioned was being able to straighten this out, wear it straight. I have a box dye hair because I was prepared. I do plan on I don't know when, but I do plan on bleaching it or maybe putting some streaks in it, because the last everyday wig that I had using their hair, it took color really well. All right, so I don't want to sound like a fan, but obviously I do love this hair company even before they reached out to me to work with them, for many reasons. I think that their hair is some of the best on the market. Now, someone reached out to me a while back, maybe in the very beginning of my channel, and asked me, you know, like a good hair company in New York. I sent them there and they were so excited. They were like, oh my gosh, the hair is so soft, customer service is so nice. And you guys know, for me, a hair company is much more than just good hair. It's also good customer service. And way before my YouTube channel, like years ago, I would always go into their Brooklyn office and Nicole would help me. Hey, Nicole, you're so nice. And she was just always so pleasant, just always just so down to earth, just good customer service overall. So I definitely like that about them. In addition to that, they have good hair, like, and it's pretty reasonable in my mind, if you factor in how long the hair actually lasts. But I'm really excited about this. I like the cap construction. If you guys know, I love versatility. And even though it's only a closure wig, I do like the fact that it has like the stretch cap in the back. Has the combs, the same, it's pretty much structured the same way I would structure a wig if I made it. Now, I don't want to say moment of truth. We're going to take this wig off. I'm not going to be able to put it back on because it took a lot for me to get it on here. But we are going to try this on. Don't laugh at my braids. Ooh. Oh yeah. We're going to set this right here. And we're going to try the wig on. I'm excited about that. Yo, this hair, it feels so soft. Like, you guys know if you've been on my channel, I don't do fluff. I'm gonna, like I said, tell you as it is. I wish you guys can see how much this just does not look like 130% density. Like, it just doesn't. I'm gonna put it on. Now I do have to, feels a little loose. Now I got a medium cap, so what I'm going in and doing is I'm just gonna adjust these little hooks here at the back. I always think my head is a medium, but for some companies when I measure it, it's a small. But I'd rather be safe than sorry, because there's nothing worse than a tight wig. So let's try this again. All right. Ooh. Oh yes, I'm excited. And this is Indian hair. All the hair that, and again, you guys have heard me mention, like, something that you guys wouldn't really know about me is that I would only buy Malaysian hair, and this is the hair company I would get it from. So I'm excited to try their Indian hair. Like, do you guys see this? Oh, I'm so excited. I don't know if you guys can see, like, there's baby hairs. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I'm not really a baby hair person. Sorry if I keep looking over here. I'm trying to fix it to make it look good, but not look good because it looks good. You guys can see it looks good, but fix this so that the hairs are just not sitting on my forehead. But I like this. I really like this. And I purposely wore, like, depending on what color hair I'm doing, I sometimes will purposely wear like a light colored shirt so that there's a contrast for the hair, so you guys can see, so you can see it for yourself. And you guys can comment down below, but this doesn't look like 130% density. Like, I know I'm not the only one who thinks that. You guys can comment, like I said, comment down below, let me know what you think, but I love it. I'm so excited. Speechless. Speechless. And I love the curls. Like, it just, I don't know, it feels light. It feels effortless. Like, it feels like an everyday wig. Let's see. Do you guys see what I'm talking about here? I mean, obviously you can see the closure. Maybe when I wear it, I may glue the closure down. But look at this. I'm in love. I I can't wait. Like, and obviously I can't wait to wear. I don't know when I'm going to come out with, and I feel like I'm rambling because I'm so excited about this hair, but I don't know when I'm going to come out with a 1 week update, because you guys know I do a 1 week update and a 1 month update on the hair. I don't expect anything less than great reviews about it when I come back to you guys, just because of the past experience that I've had with this hair company. Like, I've been a long time customer. Even without me doing the updates on this wig, I can already tell it's gonna be good, and I can already tell that it's something that I'm gonna recommend to you guys, just again given my own personal history before, way before YouTube, and way before they reached out to me to do a review on this hair. So I'm really excited about this wig. So what I did was, off camera, I put on my hot comb and I just went in and combed out the roots just to make it look a little bit more natural. And I also combed back the baby hairs. Now, I don't know if I said it prior in the video, but I just wanted to make sure that I put it out there. This is the hair company for me that set the tone that you can have hair that's going to last you a really, really long time. Now, like I said, the hair might be a little bit more money, but when you pay money for hair and you have it last you like 10 years. Now, initially when I had that hair that lasted me 10 years from the same hair company, there was a few years where I didn't use it, and then I decided to make a wig out of it. But after that, I consistently wore this wig for over 4 years. So I know for a fact that the hair is good. And that's after me coloring it like 2 or 3 times and like toning it like 2 or 3 times. You guys know how I do here on my channel. So the hair had actually went through a lot. And even to the point when I actually gave it away, the hair was still good. It's just, you know, I didn't feel like changing out the closure, and I had already cut it. But I'm excited. I'm really, really excited about this wig. It's very, very comfortable. It feels like I have nothing on my head. The hair is nice. It's fluffy. It's full. And for me, like I said, the price that they have the wig set at it's affordable, because I know how well their hair holds up over time. So I can't wait to come back to you guys, give you guys a 1 week and a 1 month update. But that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.